Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also I hope that you all are having a fantastic pre-Christmas time with your family, with your friends. So my friends, my name is Purba and I make vlogs on so many different topics. Those who are following me for some time, they know that I make vlogs on dinner routine, lunch routine, organization, cleaning. And those who are visiting me for the first time, I just want to let you know that these are the things that I make in my channel. And also a big warm hug to all of you, my beautiful Positivity and Happiness family. So now coming to today's video, today I am going to share a different kind of dinner routine with all of you. Many of time you have seen my Indian cooking and everything, Bengali cooking, Indian cooking. Few times I have also shared my pasta recipes with you all. Yes, I have shared a lot of pasta recipes, but today I am going to make a different kind of fish and also some roasted potatoes and a spaghetti pasta, but with a different kind of style. So I hope you are going to enjoy today's video. I thought of making a little special kind of dinner routine video because Christmas is around the corner. So we all want to have little bit special on this festive day and all these days throughout this week. So I hope you are going to enjoy today's video. And if you like today's vlog, today's video and also my content, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you can get future notifications soon. And those who are already my subscriber, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all your support, your love and also all your beautiful comments on my comment section. So thank you so much. Now further wasting any time, let's straight go to the kitchen and let's start the cooking. Now these are the complete ingredients, my friends, that I'll need today to make very special dinner. So for today's dinner, I'll be making spaghetti with meatball, then baked tilapia fillet and also some roasted potatoes. So now let's check the ingredients. First of all, here is some potatoes which I have boiled. And here is my tilapia fillet. Very fresh fish and also really very tasty, very soft, and it's our absolute favorite. Here is paprika powder and dried basil. Here is spaghetti. I already have boiled this spaghetti with a pinch of salt and some oil. Here is crushed onion. And there you can see some coriander, lemon and some crushed garlic. Here is little bit of maida or all-purpose flour. And here is my minced chicken. In this chicken I have seasoned it with some black pepper, salt and also some lemon. Here is my oregano, dried red chili flakes, then salt and pepper. Here is pasta sauce and there is dried garlic powder. So yeah, these are the ingredients. Now let's start making today's dinner. Now let's start making today's dinner by marinating these fish pieces. Here you can see I'm adding little bit amount of salt. And then I'm going to add black pepper powder. If you want more spicy, you can add more black pepper powder. And now I'm squeezing some lemon. Little bit more lemon. And then I'm going to rub it very gently and softly. Here you can see after adding salt and pepper, now I am adding little bit amount of paprika powder and also dried basil. Dried basil actually gives it a very nice flavor, so that's the reason I am adding it. Now again I am going to rub it gently and I'll keep it aside for some time. Here in this pan I am frying chicken meatballs. here I'm putting all the meatballs very carefully in the hot oil. And my friends, in my channel, I already have a chicken kofta curry recipe in details. If you wish, you can check that recipe. I'll definitely give the link in the description box or in the I button. Here you can see, while my chicken meatballs are getting ready there, here I have already started making these roasted potatoes. Here in these boiled potatoes, I have added little bit amount of maida or all-purpose flour and some salt. And then I'm going to mix it properly. So maida or all-purpose flour actually gives this dish a very crunchy texture. And now in this pan, I'm gonna heat up some butter. You can cook this dish in oil too, sunflower oil or any oil you want, but it tastes really good whenever we use butter. So that's the reason today I'm using it. Chicken meatballs are absolutely ready now. Let's keep it aside and let's start making roasted potatoes. Here my butter is also ready properly. And now I'm adding crushed garlic here. And the flavor is just awesome and heavenly. Now after sauteing the garlic for 1 minute, you can see here I'm adding my boiled potatoes. And now it's time to give it a very good mix. And your oven flame should be on medium to high flame. Now I'm adding dried garlic powder here. And also I'm going to use some dried basil. And little bit amount of paprika, not much. So about the spices, you can use whatever spice you want, whatever flavor you want. But these spices are really perfect with this dish. After roasting these potatoes for 7 to 10 minutes, now it looks like that. These little brownish roast marks are absolutely perfect with this dish. That's what we are looking for. Now let's cook the second dish of today's dinner, that will be spaghetti with meatball. Here you can see I'm sauteing some onion and crushed garlic in the oil to make my spaghetti. So you can skip the onion, but it gives a very nice flavor, so I'm using it. It's time to add the pasta sauce now. Here you can see I'm using this ready-made pasta sauce, but definitely you can make this sauce at your home. I know how to make it. Very soon I'll give that recipe in my channel. And now I'm mixing it very nicely. At this point, I'm going to add my chicken meatball here in the sauce or in the gravy. Isn't it looking so tempting and so delicious? I think without even adding the pasta, we can have it just like that. It's so delicious. And now I'm mixing all the ingredients gently. Here you can see, to adjust the consistency, I have added little bit amount of water. And now I'm going to add the spaghetti here. There you can see I have added my spaghetti here into this meatball gravy sauce. And now it's time to give it a very good final mix. And in the last step, I'm going to add some cheese and some coriander leaves. I absolutely love the flavor of coriander. Otherwise, you can use parsley also. So spaghetti is ready now. Now it's time to make the last dish of today's dinner, that will be baked fish. To make the baked tilapia fillet, I'm adding some butter in the pan now. Again, I'm telling you, you can use oil too, but with butter it tastes so perfect. Here butter is absolutely ready. Now I'm going to add the marinated tilapia fillet here in the pan. And then we have to cook it with some patience, and also we have to handle this fish fillet very carefully because this is very soft and gentle. And my friends, please let me know in the comment section how many of you like having tilapia fish. We Bengalis always love to have fish in our lunch and dinner. But I don't know why tilapia is my very favorite fish. I just absolutely love the flavor. Here you can see, with the help of a fork, I'm checking if my fish is properly cooked or not. And I'm seeing that it's absolutely perfectly cooked. You already have seen that one part is very bright and golden brown in color. And now I'm going to cook it for 1 more minute. I don't want to overcook my fish, otherwise it will be very hard. I just want it very moist and soft. So my friends, you have seen just now I made my baked tilapia fillet and also I have kept it aside. You can have it just like that, you don't need any extra sauce with it. But today I am thinking of making a very simple and easy honey lemon sauce just to put on the top of the fish. And here you can see in the oil I am sauteing little bit amount of onion, then crushed garlic, and also I have added some lemon juice. And now I am going to add some fresh honey. And here is the final look of my honey lemon sauce. Not too thick, not too thin, just like this. Now all the food items are absolutely ready here. Look at this yummy spaghetti with meatball, then roasted potatoes, and also my baked fish. And now I'm going to pour some sauce on top. Just look at the consistency. It's absolutely perfect. And it smells just awesome. Now welcome to my Christmas decorated living room, my friends. You can see my dining table is also absolutely ready to welcome Christmas, and my food is looking absolutely gorgeous and tempting. And now we are going to enjoy today's dinner. So my friends, that was today's dinner routine. I hope you have enjoyed it. And here you can see I have already organized my dinner table. So now me and Bikram, we are going to enjoy today's dinner, and I hope you have enjoyed my cooking today. If you like, definitely you can give it a try in your home, and I'm sure you are going to like it. And today I tried something different in my channel, even though we both like this type of food, but I don't think in my channel I never shared this kind of fish recipe and roasted potato. Pasta, or not spaghetti, but different kinds of pasta I have already shared, but roasted potato and then this kind of fish probably I have shared for the first time. So please let me know in the comment section how you have liked today's video, and also don't forget to share your feedback, and also don't forget to share your valuable thought about my vlogs, my lifestyle, and it will be my absolute pleasure to have your comments in my comment section. So thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope I will see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So until then, tata, bye bye, take care, and be positive, be happy, be energetic, and enjoy this festive season with your friends, with your family. So tata, bye bye, love you.